Stretches. We're going to look at vertical and horizontal stretches. Okay. For a vertical stretch, you're going to multiply the y-coordinate by a factor of a. It will be shown in front of the f of x, like so. For a horizontal stretch, you're going to multiply the x-coordinate by a factor of 1 over b, say, of. Okay, so that would be this right here. So you're going to take the reciprocal of it. We're going to start with just a vertical stretch here. I know it's a vertical stretch because when I look at the question to sketch g of x, the 2 is in where the a value would be. So that's a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. Which means I'm going to multiply all of my y values by a factor of 2. So I've listed already the points A, B, C, D, and E here for us. So if I look at the x-coordinate, it's going to stay the same. The y-coordinate is going to be 2 times y. Okay, so this is my mapping notation. Okay, so I'm going to just list those x-coordinates. They're not changing, so I don't really want to have to think about them. But let's take a look at the y values. I'm going to just double each y value. Okay, and then I'm going to plot this. So my scale's already in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 4. Negative 4 and up 8. This was where 8 was. Negative 1 and up 8. 1 and 6. 3 and 6. And connect those points. So it is stretched vertically. That affects the range. The domain has remained the same. Okay, and the general shape is just stretched. It's not changed drastically other than that. Let's look at the horizontal stretch next here. So this is sketch f of 2x. So this is what the b value would be. So remember, we take the reciprocal, so it's 1 over b. So this would be a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/2. Again, I've listed those points already for us. We're going to go 1/2 times the x-coordinate and leave the y-coordinate the same. Okay, so 1/2 times negative 5, I'm just going to have negative 5 over 2, negative 2, negative 1/2, positive 1/2, and 3 over 2. And the y-coordinates are going to remain the same. Now I'm ready to plot those points. So negative 5 over 2 is negative 2.5, and up 2. Negative 2 and 4. Negative 1/2 and 4. 1/2 and 3. And then 3 over 2, of course, is 1.5 and 3. And then I'm going to connect those points. So this is stretched horizontally. That means the domain was also cut in half, but the range did not change. So once we finish connecting this, we can compare the two and see how it was stretched by a factor of 1/2, or another way to say it is it was compressed by a factor of